Hello and welcome back. In this video, we're breaking down the Sumoria Scrubber to figure out whether it's a smart buy or just another product riding the online hype wave. Electric spin scrubbers have gained attention lately because they promise to make cleaning faster and less physically demanding. The idea is simple: no more crouching on the floor or scrubbing stubborn stains for hours. But before you click that Buy Now button, it's important to examine the claims carefully and look for possible warning signs. According to the promotional page, this scrubber comes with a high-speed motor rated around 400 revolutions per minute and an extendable handle that stretches up to 50 inches. The goal is to help you clean everything from bathroom tiles and bathtubs to walls and even ceilings without straining your back. The product description also mentions 8 interchangeable brush heads designed for different surfaces and tasks. It's said to be rechargeable with a USB-C port, which certainly adds convenience. Marketing materials highlight strong rotational power, 360-degree spin action, and the ability to tackle stubborn grime while protecting your knees and joints. On paper, it sounds like a practical and time-saving cleaning device. Quick note before we continue: this content is intended for general awareness and educational purposes. It is not an endorsement or promotion of any specific product. The opinions shared here are based on publicly available details and commonly observed red flags in online marketing. Now, let's discuss a few concerns. One issue is the inconsistency in naming. The web address might reference one product name, while the item displayed on the site carries a completely different one. When branding lacks consistency, it can sometimes suggest that a generic product is being relabeled and resold under different names. While that alone doesn't prove anything fraudulent, it does hint at possible drop shipping. Another point worth noting is the volume of glowing reviews posted directly on the sales page. Some sites claim thousands of happy customers, yet when you search major independent platforms, there's limited verified feedback available. A major popularity claim without outside validation should raise questions. The pricing strategy also deserves attention. Large discounts, countdown timers, and limited stock warnings are often used to create urgency. If a product consistently appears to be 60 or 70% off, it's possible that the original price was inflated to make the offer seem more appealing than it truly is. There's also the possibility that the scrubber is a common wholesale item available on global sourcing platforms and simply sold at a markup under a new label. Similar electric scrubbers can often be found across multiple marketplaces at varying price points, which means it may not be as exclusive as advertised. Transparency about the company matters too. If clear business information, verifiable contact details, and a traceable physical address are missing, that increases the buyer's risk. Established brands usually provide clear company background and customer support channels. Additionally, while the marketing emphasizes powerful performance and effortless cleaning, there's often limited technical documentation, durability data, or long-term testing evidence presented. Without that, it's hard to measure real-world reliability. Shipping timelines and refund policies are another area to examine closely. Some stores that operate through dropshipping models may have extended delivery periods and more complicated return processes. Always read the policies carefully before making a purchase. So, is the Sumoria Scrubber a legitimate product or something to avoid? It appears to be strongly marketed and possibly rebranded rather than backed by a long-standing company reputation.